Hello, in front of me I've got Audi Q3. In this video I'll tell you if this car is worth in 2025. In short, yes. The facelifted Q3 still offers premium interior fit and finish, compact SUV practicality and comfortable ride. It holds up well as used premium option if you buy it wisely. Good service history, no DSG or timing chain neglect. Expect modern safety features for its class, but check the exact spec of the car you're buying. Forum owners and consumers review show generally good reliability for the 2015 to 2018 Q3 range when properly maintained. It's good to buy when the car has clean service history, recent timing belt chain work, DSG S-tronic service records, and no unresolved dash errors. Lower mileage, examples with documented maintenance and original owner dealer invoices. When to be cautious: car with no service receipts, heavy city mileage, with clutch DSG wear, or with known electrical faults. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.